Hi, it's Juris and welcome to the Tattoo Shop Talk, and today a little scam alert, sort of warning information type of a thing. It happened to my shop a couple weeks ago, and it also happened to tattooists that I follow, that I know, and the situation what happened was following. On one lovely Sunday, I noticed that I got a lot of messages on my shop's Instagram, and I decided to ignore it because it's Sunday and I want to rest and not think about shop stuff. And on Monday, when I opened those messages, there was a bunch of messages from my customers, and luckily I have awesome customers, and they were all warning me that either my page had been hacked or somebody's spamming and made a fake page with my shop's name, and they had my shop's logo and around 5 pictures from my shop that were down there, so it sort of imitates my shop. And then there's some dodgy links, and they were sending out some sort of information that there's some sort of competition and you have a chance to win, or you have won, and then you have to click some links, and probably they're just fishing for some sensitive information or want you to click on some dodgy stuff. The only difference from the shop's name was it was the same name, Tattoo Odens, but they added extra E at the end, so sort of doubled the last letter, so extra E. And the same thing happened to that tattooist that I know. She also had her page copied, and also at the end there was extra O. And I noticed that it happened to other tattooists and also other businesses, and they sometimes add extra letter at the end, or they add underscore, underline, underscore, that little line on the bottom. So it's the same name, just with extra symbol or extra letter at the end. Myself, I was blocked from that profile, so I couldn't find it, I couldn't look it up. Obviously, if you have other profiles or your friends' profiles, they can look it up. And what we did, we just reported it, and I also asked my customers to report it. One of the customers said that she even tried to confront them, and then they blocked her. But those things should be reported, so it disappeared, and I haven't had that issue since, so far, fingers crossed, because it's always a bit stressful with those dodgy type of things. I decided to make this episode because I have seen it happening to other tattooists. It happened to at least few tattooists that I know, and I think I saw it happening to other type of business as well. I guess scammers have found tattoo shops as their target group. It's more orientated to customers because they send out those messages to your customers. Still, customers should know, customers should be careful, and if somebody will click on it by accident and fall for that scam, they will probably still somehow associate it with your business because it was your page. One way or another, nobody needs that. And then one morning I decided I should make this episode, and as I was going home, I was thinking what to say, how to format this thing, and I go home, I open Instagram, and bam, another tattooist is posting that fake profile is doing some scammy shit. So it's still happening, and that's why I decided to make this episode so people know. Shops should be aware, and if you are a shop's customer, if you notice that something fishy is happening, or suddenly you have won some competition, or you have a chance to win, double check that Instagram handle, like the name, and double check with shop, just to be sure. Click on a shop page and see if it's the same thing, and obviously if it's some dodgy stuff, then report it, and also let know that shop that their name has been dragged into some scam type of thing, and that hopefully will keep us all on the safe side. So yeah, if you are a business owner, then keep in mind that this type of a thing is going on around, be aware of it. And if you are a tattoo customer, then if suddenly some shop out of nowhere sends you some sort of thing that you won something or you have a chance to win something, just double check with the shop. If it's dodgy stuff, report it, be aware, and notify the shop as well. Keep an eye on those things. I got a cool eye from cool customer. Real prosthetic eye. And that's about it. Be aware, stay safe. Thank you for watching. See you in future episodes. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye.